Welcome to our series, Ask a Heidolph Rep, where we answer your questions about our equipment. My name is Allison Shellhammer, and our question of the week is, what is the function of the refill valve? The refill valve, which is located on the side of the condenser, can be used for addition while a process is running. You'll simply add tubing to the refill valve and have that tubing going into a vessel holding your product. You'll open up the valve while a process is running, and the pressure differential will take the product from the outside of the Hei-VAP and it'll move through into the reaction vessel. Having this functionality allows you to add to the reaction flask and eliminates any downtime associated with stopping the process to do this addition. Thank you for tuning in to this week's Ask a Heidolph Rep. We'd love to answer your question in a future video. Please submit them to hello@heidolph.com or find us on social media on LinkedIn and Twitter at HeidolphNA. Thanks again, and we'll see you again soon.